It's something that can cause major traffic headaches after a crash, but one company is hoping to prevent traffic lights from going out by testing out some new technology by using mock crashes. New product for traffic safety is being tested right here in the Valley. A local man actually invented the technology with the hopes of preventing secondary crashes.
It is all about getting traffic boxes back up and running even after they've been hit. Fox 10's Danielle Miller was live at the demonstration today. She joins us live with more. Danielle.
Yeah, guys, actually the only way to test this type of technology is to crash test it, and that's exactly what they did today. Now, take a look here. These are a traffic cabinet. They are in most, if not all, intersections, and basically, if there's an accident in that intersection, there's a good chance that somebody will hit this, knocking out the power in that intersection for hours. Now, this new technology, it could be restored within minutes.
City of Phoenix donated the box, and they asked us if we could go ahead and just replicate exactly what happens, during a crash.
That's exactly what the team at Cleveland Electric Labs did today. This mock crash, all to test new technology for traffic cabinets. Most boxes are hardwired, meaning the wiring comes out of the ground and into the cabinet.
When that cabinet flies, it's going to rip the cable out of the ground.
That knocking out the power in intersections for hours. This new technology, founded by Jeff Dominique, could have the power back up and running in minutes.
When that cabinet flies, when a car strikes that cabinet, it's going to unplug all the electrical stuff and all the fiber stuff on the inside of that cabinet. And then when they reset the cabinet, everything just plugs back in. When this thing unplugs, that coil should just lay there just the way it is right now and not even move an inch.
According to Dominique, if the power is up and running quickly after a crash, secondary crashes will be reduced.
When they become accustomed to a traffic light being there and directing things, and that traffic light all of a sudden goes away, people become distracted.
And this technology is already being used in a few intersections throughout the Phoenix Valley. There's also several other communities that use it, but they're hoping to implement it into all the cities here in Arizona. Reporting live, Danielle Miller, Fox 10 News.